Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error can't connect tap to Retry on your Facebook on iPhone. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just check your connection. So just go to the settings, and if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi and just turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data or cellular data, just turn off and turn on again. And if you still have the error, so you can also try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And also you can try to go to the general, just scroll down, just find here shutdown, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And also you can try to update your Facebook app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Facebook. So if you see here not open but update, it means that you have available updates for your Facebook app. So just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Facebook app. So this is the way how you can try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.